Can you see teacher clearly? Can you see teacher clearly?
No, really? Yeah.
Okay. Yes? Okay, I'm going to share my screen, my dear. Can you hear me well? Can you hear me well, my dear?
Okay.
Can you hear me well?
Okay.
Nice. My name
My
is
name
Teacher Anne. What's your name? What's your name, my dear?
my name is Me. Me.
Wow, me. Okay,
Me.
nice to
Yeah.
meet you, me.
Nice to
Nice.
meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
me.
you. Nice to meet you too.
No, wow. So, what did you do before our class, my dear me?
Um,
Yeah,
eat. Eat.
nice. Dinner? Is it your dinner, my dear?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. What did you eat?
Um, uh, fish.
Wow. Fish?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Could you please say it again? Fish.
Fish.
Nice. Good. How was it, my dear? Is it yummy? Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy. Yummy. Me.
Nah. Okay. But, my dear, how about uh rice?
Yeah.
Did you
Yummy.
eat? Oh, wow, yummy. Good. Wow. Okay, so my dear, are you now ready for our class? Ready?
Okay. Ready?
Yes,
Yeah.
are you now ready? Wow. Okay, so let's
Okay.
okay. My dear, let's pronounce some vowels.
Nguyên.
Yes. Okay, so my dear, it's pronunciation practice. Yeah, practice. So we have different words. We have different words, my dear.
Yeah.
Nice. Can you read them for me?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. Okay, for our first word, can you read?
Farm. Farm.
Wow, nice. Good. You're doing good, my dear. Next.
No.
Okay, do you want
Uh,
teacher to help you? Hmm. Hmm. Mad.
Mad.
Nice. Good. Mad. Next.
Mad.
Nice.
Love.
Wow.
Love.
Good. Next.
ลอง
Mm, good. Next.
ลอง
Next.
ลอง
Next. Mm,
blood,
Nice. Could you please say blood?
blood,
Nice. Good. Okay, so the sound, my dear, the sound. Oh,
oh,
nice. We have here a tip, my dear. Okay, I'm going to translate the tip that we have here. Oh,
oh, oh,
nice. Good. Wow. Okay, so for the
oh,
first word, we have here fun.
fun,
Nice.
fun, fun.
Nice. Can you read, my dear, the sentence?
I have I had a lot of fun with my friend last night.
Nice. Very good. Okay, could you please say again the word with?
With
With. Nice. Good. Okay, so fun meaning enjoyment. Enjoyment.
enjoyment,
Nice. Good. Good time.
good
Good.
time, good
Wow. Nice. Good. Next one, my dear. Mod.
mud.
Nice. Can you read the sentence?
He got he got very dirty playing in the mud.
Oh, good. Nice. Next one, my dear.
The grass tires are br- spinning in the mud.
Nice.
Spinning in the mud.
Good. Good. Spinning.
Spinning.
Nice. Could you please
Spinning.
say tires?
Tires.
Mm,
Tires.
nice. Can you emphasize the r, r sound, my dear? Tires.
Tires.
Oh,
Tires.
good. Good, my dear. Nice. Yay. Okay, next. Tug, tug, tug.
Love.
Tug, tug. Nice. So, can you read the sentence, my dear?
A hat. A horse is a sign of love.
Oh, good. Could you please say heart?
Horse.
Oh,
Horse.
nice. Again, my dear. Heart.
Horse.
Wow, good. Oh, another one, my dear. Yeah. Next one.
They are they are completely in love.
Wow, nice. So, the meaning of love,
Love. Love.
yes, it's a passionate feeling.
Passionate feeling.
Oh, could you please say it again? Passionate.
Passionate.
Nice feeling. Yeah. Okay. Of affection.
Affection,
Good.
affection are romantic. Attraction,
Nice. Could you please say it, my dear? Attraction.
attraction,
Oh, good. Nice. Yay. Wow. Okay. Next. Mm,
blood,
nice. Blood.
blood,
No,
blood.
good. Okay, so can you read?
The doctor drew blood to the some test.
Nice. Blood.
Blood.
Nice. I like it. I like it, my dear. Okay, next.
He has blood on his face.
Mm. Could you please say it again? Face.
Face.
Nice.
Face.
Good. Good. Okay. Next.
Mm.
Here with- Vampires.
Vampires.
Ah,
Vampires need to drink blood to survive. Survive.
wow. Good. Could you please say it again? Survive.
Survive.
Nice.
Survive.
Mm, let's emphasize the v, v sound.
With
Va,
fun.
vibe.
Bye. Bye.
Nice. Survive.
Survive. Survive.
Nice. Good, my dear. Vibe.
Bye.
Nice.
Bye.
Okay.
Survive.
Vibe. Okay. So, my dear, the meaning of blood, can you read?
Blood. The red blood that is pumped around body by the heart.
Nice. Could you please say fluid?
Fluid.
Nice. Good. Okay. Could you please say pump?
Pump.
Nice.
Pump.
Good. Pump, pump. Okay, you're doing great, my dear. Great. Okay, next. Can you read?
Mother. Mother.
Nice. Good. And the examples
She,
are
she is new mother.
good. But my dear, let's use the contractions of she is. I'm going to translate it, my dear. Let us use the contractions of she is. Please say she's.
She's. She's.
Nice. Nice.
Uh,
Good job. She's.
she's a new mother.
Nice. Baby. Okay. Next one, my dear.
She's going to be a mother's son.
Nice. Could you please say it again? Soon.
Soon. Soon.
Nice. Nice. Good. Next one, my dear.
My mother used many space speaks when she cook.
Nice. Could you please say uses?
Uses.
Nice.
Cook.
Nice.
Many.
Could you please say spices?
Spices.
Nice. Good.
Spices.
Wow. Good.
My mother used many spice when she cooks.
Nice. Wow. Next.
I live with my father and mother.
Ooh, that was fast. Nice. Wow, yay. So, what's the meaning of mother?
Mother female bread but parent. Parent.
Nice. Yeah, correct. Wow, nice. Okay. Next one, my dear. Can you read?
Răng. Răng.
Good. Young.
Răng. Răng.
Nice. Good. I like that. Okay, so can you read the example?
She has a young child.
Good. Let's emphasize the age. She.
She.
Nice.
She.
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 Mm, she.
She. She.
Nice.
She had a young child.
Nice. Has.
Has.
Nice. Young.
Has. Has a young child.
Nice. Child.
Child.
Wow.
Child.
Good.
He
Nice.
has a young child.
Great. Okay. Next.
This plate is popular with young people.
Good. Could you please say people?
People.
Okay. P.
People.
Okay. Good, my dear. Could you please say P?
People.
P. Yes. People. Good. People.
People.
Good. L. Could you please say
People.
L? L. L, my dear. L. L. L.
Mm, mm,
Nice.
mm.
P.
People. People.
Nice.
People. People.
Nice. Okay. What's the
People.
people?
People.
Nice.
Be,
People.
be, people.
You're
Be,
doing great. You're doing great, my dear. So, what's the meaning of young?
uh, having, having only existed, existed for a short amount of time.
Good. So please say existed.
Existed.
Nice. Good. Amount.
Amount.
Nice. Time.
Time. Time.
Good. I like that. Okay. So let's move to the next word.
Uncle.
Nice.
Uncle.
Good. Could you please say uncle?
Uncle.
Nice. Good.
Un-
Uncle.
uncle.
Nice. Okay. So can you read?
My uncle is always very kind to me.
Wow, great. Could you please say always?
Always. Always.
Always.
Always.
Nice. Could you please say all?
Always.
Good. Always.
Always.
Nice. Could you please say maybe la
L,
la la?
l, la, la,
Oh, good, good,
or,
my dear.
la,
La. Okay. So could you please say all way?
always. Ways.
Okay. Yes.
Always.
Okay. All ways. Mhm.
Always.
Nice. Good. Okay. Next, my dear.
My uncle, whose office were visits when I were a child. Child.
Good. Good, my dear. Could you please say, oh, dear, I'm sorry. Hello. I'm sorry, my dear. So,
No, no problem.
could you please say again? My
Okay.
uncle.
Uncle, my uncle is always very kind to me.
Nice.
Oh,
Wow.
yes.
Wow, you've improved, my dear. Good. Okay, next, my dear.
My uncle goes off often visits when I were a child.
Okay,
Child,
good. Okay, could you please say would?
good, good,
Nice.
good,
Would.
good,
Would.
good,
Nice. Would.
good.
Nice. Good idea. Okay. Could you please say visit?
Visit,
Nice.
visit,
Visit.
visit,
Mm,
visit,
sit. Sit.
visit,
Nice. Good. Visit.
visit,
Mm,
visit.
mm.
Yeah,
Visit.
visit,
Nice.
visit,
Visit. Or you could
visit,
say visit.
visit.
Nice. Okay, good. Could you please say was?
Was.
Nice. Good. Wow, very good. Again, next one, my dear.
My uncle got to know my aunt when they meet at the beach.
Wow. Could you please say beach?
Beach,
No.
beach,
Beach.
beach,
Nice. Good, my dear. Could you please say mat?
mat,
Nice. Wow. Good. So, what's the meaning of uncle?
the brother of one father or mother, or the husband of one uncle.
Nice. Could you please say once?
Once,
Nice.
one,
Good. Could you please
two,
say aunt?
aunt, aunt.
Wow, great. Good job. Okay, so next. Next one, my dear. Could you please say?
Luck,
Mhm.
luck,
Nice. Lack.
love, love.
Good. Okay, so can you read?
Gambling is play lo, 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 legally a matter of luck. Luck,
Nice. Could you please say large?
lost,
Lee.
lo, lostly,
Nice. Large.
lawless, lost, lawless,
Mm, largely.
lostly,
Good.
lo,
Large.
lo, lostly,
Good. Largely.
lostly.
Nice. Okay. Next one, my dear.
It's bad luck that your car got destroyed by a tree.
Nice. Could you please say destroyed?
Destroys.
Nice.
Des-
Let's practice the S sound.
Destroys.
Nice. Destroyed. Good. Could you please say tree? Napatay na naman ang laptop. Wait, could you please say ah, huh? Tree? Could you please say tree? Tree. I don't know.